guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand Eyederm Cosmetics for sending over their eye bag reducer cream. So this is made to refresh, smooth the under eye area. So if you deal with puffiness, eye bags, dark circles, you can see I deal with it every day. This is a simple step to make you more awake looking. I want to show you a close-up of exactly what it looks like. So if you can see the cream about that much, maybe a little bit under your eye, but when you go to put it on, it literally just glides. Like I can't even see how quickly it just kind of melts into your skin. It is extremely cooling when it goes onto the eye and definitely fits nicely into my routine. What I really like about this is that it has been ophthalmologist tested and is free from common irritants. Just as important to me is that it is fragrance-free, retinol-free, and it's made for sensitive skin. So I'm just going to be using a tiny amount. I want to show you here. It's about, I'd say, the size of a large pea, and I'm going to sweep it just under my eyes. This is the kind of under eye product that actually feels like a really easy morning routine. I think it makes my eyes less puffy and they feel so good right now. Wow. Eyederm Eye Bag Reducer. I'm going to call this a really good find and one you might want to give a try.